Morning, guys. So I got wifey with me. We are headed. So anyway, my daughter called last night, or our daughter called us last night and said, "Hey, Dad, we're going over to a tulip farm." And immediately I was like, "Oh, there's got to be a bunch of flowers." So today we are headed to meet our daughter and son-in-law in Pilot Point, Texas, to go to a really cool tulip farm and see what else is there. It seems like a really heavily visited place, so hopefully there'll be plenty of space and time for us to do what we need to do. But anyway, come on, guys, let's go check out this tulip farm. All right, guys, so I just realized halfway through the trip that we needed to stop and get some cash because it's $5 to get in. I think, yeah, $5 a person, plus the tulips cost like $2.50 a piece or something like that, and maybe there's a gift shop. So we stopped at CVS to get a little cash, but I wish I'd have stopped over across the street there at 7-Eleven so we could clean the windows a little bit. It's been so windy here in North Texas that dust is all over everybody's cars. Everybody's cars are dirty unless you just went to the car wash. But other than that, you know, I think this is about to be a great day. So anyway, let's continue the trip. So guys, we had a change of plans today. Turns out the tulip farm was actually closed for this season, so we won't get to go to the tulip farm until next season, but we made up for it. We stopped at Bahama Bucks, got her a treat, because that's what she requires to keep going through the day, is some Bahama Bucks. But we found something pretty cool, and I want to show it to you guys. This is a dam from the 1900s to supply water to steam trains. So every 7 to 10 miles, the steam trains needed water. So that's why you see a lot of creeks that are dammed up throughout Texas near the railroads. But check this out. This area is in the middle of a business district on that side. It's literally hidden back behind businesses. I don't know what's on the other side, but this is pretty cool. Lots of people out moving around today, bikers, people hiking and walking, families out enjoying the day. Let's see if we can see this dam. So guys, if you can see back there, there's a series of dams. We're standing on top of the most recent dam that was built. This is all related to keeping water supply for the steam trains back in the 1900s, or the early 1900s. The first dam is down there, right along where my finger is. The second dam is right here. And this, I'm standing on top of the third dam, which I think it was more of a beautification thing, but those two, the first one was built to supply water, then they realized they needed more water, so they dammed it up higher, and then this one was built afterwards. But we found another waterfall in the middle of the city. It's almost hidden where it's at, but this is a beautiful area. Some boys were fishing up there. Don't think they caught anything, but this is pretty deep right here. So anyway, we're gonna climb out and go do some more exploring. Starting to put locks on this bridge, so before long this bridge will be covered in locks. Look at that. See that, guys? That's the old piping that used to come up out of the water on the other side and travel up to the pump house up here. So this is the foundation of the pump house. Here is a section of the train tracks they carved out and planted right here. I don't know if it ever went through there, but up here is the bridge. And this is the foundation of the pump house up here. So this is all preserved by the Texas Historical Society. So we found these abandoned tracks and an old bridge that goes over the creek that feeds that dam area. This hasn't been maintained at all, so there are no trains coming through here whatsoever. As a matter of fact, you can see that at some point it caught on fire. You should probably do it like this, because this is where all the stability is at, on the side right here. Huh?
I'm stable on the metal deal.
We'll get a picture of this. Oh, so the trail goes on through, around through there. Yeah, that's far enough. Probably. So guys, this portion of our day trip is over. We are headed home. We're gonna relax. I gotta edit some videos, make sure dinner gets done together. We've started cooking together a lot. I might jump on the grill and she take care of whatever's in the kitchen. But we're gonna close this day out nice and easy. Thanks for checking out this video. Please comment if you wanna see this area, click the link below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't. We definitely appreciate all you guys. Peace.